back to my channel. My name is Key. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss any more videos. And today, guys, I've been waiting for her so long. I've been trying so hard to get this product. I was able to finally get it, and I love her work. And you guys probably know her from TikTok. You guys probably know her from Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and it is BeatsByDeb Cosmetics, guys. I've been waiting so long to get this. Like, it is a good product. If you guys haven't seen her, every look she does is fire. Like, you can tell the time she puts in to do her looks is ridiculous, crazy. Like, you guys really gotta try it. So in this haul, I have the BeatsByDeb eyeliner. Now this liner here is activated with just water. You just put maybe a couple of drops, maybe a few drops. You do not need a lot of water in these, and they come in so many different pretty shades, colors. We have Moneymaker, Firefly, Tangy, Saucy. We have Boss Moves, Fuji, Periwinkle. We have Bittersweet, Black Lives Matter, Snowflake, Pinky Promise, and Stay Pretty. And these colors are so pretty, guys. Very vibrant neon. Very cute. You can do so many liner looks with these. I love it. And then I also went and got her lashes. And I only got the 3-set trio. I was going to get the bigger kind, but I need to see how they look on my face, because I know some lashes, they can be too big and they won't look right. I have small puny eyes, so like when you get lashes, sometimes people get the long big lashes, they don't look right. You're like got caterpillars on your eyes, yeah. And then sometimes you can get ones that actually look good. So these here is what they look like. It's called Goddess, Whipped, and we have Baby D. I actually like them. They're not too full, but they're not too thick either. Something that I think they would look good on my eyes too. It wouldn't be too much. It wouldn't be over dramatic. Because I have had eyelashes before. I'm gonna show you guys up here somewhere in the video. That the girl did my eyelashes, and she knew I had a small face, like you knew what size I needed, and she still put the big ones on my face, which didn't really make any sense to me at all. And I was like, oh, okay, yeah, they're cute. But the thing about it was they were too big. Like, they were entirely too long, entirely too big. She was like, oh, big lashes, big eyes. No, baby, that don't work for everybody. Not for big lashes, big eyes. But we're gonna hop back into this haul here. And I also got her glitter brush. I call it a glitter brush, but like, it's cute. It helps pick up your glitter. It's like a silicone, like, so it won't stick. It won't stick. I have so many brushes where I didn't use the NYX glitter glue, and it does not work anymore. Like, it got my brushes looking crazy. I'd be having to throw them away, but it's so soft. I like it. I like it a lot. So that's the glitter brush. Let's see. I also got, I just got these. I haven't taken them out the pack. Her cut crease brush, that is cute too. It's real thin, love it. This is the kind of brush I've been looking for to do my cut creases. Matter of fact, did I get the cut crease? This is the concealer brush, I'm sorry. The concealer brush. And it is cute. Like, even got little rhinestones and diamonds in it. That is beautiful. It's thin enough for you to do your concealer for your eyebrows and everything. Love it. I got two. I got more than one. I got two. I couldn't just buy one, so I got two. And then we have here the fine liner brushes. I needed some fine liner brushes. I could not find any. I couldn't do the looks that I wanted. I couldn't get my lines good enough. And I finally received it. The fine liner brush. Yes, yes, yes. These are amazing. You cannot go wrong with these fine liner brushes. When I tell you guys, you cannot go wrong. I love it. And I actually am getting the Color for Days palette. It's coming in the mail. It's just not here yet. I ordered that last, but it's definitely coming, so we can do some looks from out of there too as well. And then last but not least, we have another finer line brush, but this one is like a little smaller. It's out of here. That is cute. You can't tell me. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That is cute with the little rhinestones and the diamonds in it. Love that. That is fire. I think I would probably get more precision with this than I will with this one. Only because it's more sturdier in my hand and thicker in my hand. I'm able to control it and know which way I'm going. But either way, they're both amazing. Both good. I cannot wait to use my products because I've been waiting forever to get these. And yeah, guys. Oh, guys, I almost forgot. I could not resist. I had to get my Rhinestones. I had to get my Rhinestones from BeatsByDeb. I was like, oh my goodness. If I'm getting everything else, if I'm getting the brushes, the liner, the eyelashes, your girl gotta hook it up with the Rhinestones. She gotta finish it off with the Rhinestones here. And they come in different sizes. They're all beautiful, different sizes, different. I think they're all the same shape though. Same shape. I love it. But it's gonna hurt me if these fall and drop. Because guess who's picking them all up and putting them right back in this jar? I am. Indeed I am. So yes. Finally got BeatsByDeb haul going, guys. I've been waiting so long to actually get her stuff, do a makeup look, hopefully come out fire. But yeah, guys, if you guys have not seen her, this is her card that she sent. And this is her information on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. If it'll focus. All her stuff is the same. Her emails, BeatsByDeb. Her email, BeatsByDebsCosmetics@gmail.com. Her website, www.beatsbydebcosmetics.com. Instagram is @BeatsByDebCosmetics. Facebook and TikTok, BeatsByDebCosmetics. It's all the same. And it also came in cute, fun, iridescent coloring, cute. But yeah, guys. And of course, it came another card here. And that is all that I have right now. I am going to be doing looks with her palette as well. I got Color for Days once again. It is coming. It may take maybe like a week to get here, but I'm still going to be able to do some stuff, some different styles with it. I ordered that last because I wasn't for sure which one I wanted to get. Of course, they had the Color for Days and they had another one too, but I was like, I'll just get one. And plus, it was a sale going on this weekend, so I went ahead and got it when the sale happened. These, I got them off the random, just off a whim. And yeah. But yeah, guys, this is the makeup haul for BeatsByDeb. Rhinestones, lashes. I have 2 liner brushes, 2 concealer brushes. I am thinking about getting a cut crease brush. That's what it was. The cut crease brush was not, it was sold out. Cut crease brush was sold out, so I wasn't able to get it. So when it does go back on sale, I will be getting it again. And we have her liner. We're definitely gonna be using her liner as well a lot. This was the main hold up. It wasn't me trying to get her stuff, it was me trying to find a liquid liner that actually was good and it actually went on perfectly. I tried all other products, or tried to look up other products to get my liner that's water activated, that goes on smoothly, and they either discontinued it, sold out, or they never had it. So, or it was pricey, because everybody knows makeup is not cheap. Makeup is not cheap at all. It is very pricey. But yeah, you guys, I can't wait to do looks with you guys, and hopefully this will actually turn out pretty good. I'm hoping it comes out pretty good. And yeah, that is my makeup haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.